You ready to go? Let's hit the road. Whew, that was a close one. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Well, this is not the video I was planning on doing, but you just got to make do with what you got. He doesn't care. So I just want to right off the very bat just say sorry that videos have been kind of just, kind of hit and miss the past few weeks. It's a busy time of year for everybody. Springtime, spring cleaning, getting the yard ready for summer. And unfortunately, I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice. We've had some type of bug going through the whole family. And it's one of those super dragged out, I'm going on day 7. I feel 90%, but still not 100. So it's been hard to get out and do anything. We have been still going to work because you got to pay the bills. But unfortunately, that's about it. Zero energy to do any extra stuff. So we have tried to do a few things. Just unfortunately, they just haven't been working out or enough content to make a good video. So it's just me and the little guy over there. And this isn't the most ideal spot. There wasn't too many places to pull over, but there is enough room that vehicles can get by if need be. The view is definitely really nice. But other than that, not a bad day. It's a little cooler up here. I'm gonna have to put my sweater on, but sun is trying to come out. But I have a neat little meal for you guys today. Hopefully it tastes good and you guys might give it a try. So I'm just gonna grab my sweater and get to cooking. Don't know if you guys noticed in the driving clips, I did something. I've always, as you guys have known, I've wanted to take off the bumper, and I just in one day said, screw it, it's something I can do when I'm not feeling too good. That thing was barely there, like barely holding on. Almost every single plastic clip was gone, or broken, sorry, and the bumper was just, there was no metal left whatsoever. So scabby. I was hoping I could just take the plastic covering off. I knew there would be some rust spots, but I thought, hey, I'll spray it with some, like undercoating, make it look good enough, and that would be fine. But yeah, there was nothing there to paint. So, I got into it. kind of wish I would have left it, but at the same time, I don't mind it. I do got some bars from work. I'm gonna pay the shop that did my dirt bike, but just weld and make me very simple, but yet a functional tube bumper, just to kind of hide a little bit. But you know, it would probably look even better if the trailer hitch wasn't there, but I use that, you know, a lot. I put the kayaks on our trailer, our dirt bike, so that's something I have to unfortunately leave on. But, you know, it's growing on me. I thought Cheyenne for sure was just gonna be like, what have you done? But she actually didn't mind it. Also picked up this little guy from Amazon. This is a level meter, I guess you could call it. It will be good for camping, you know, to let me know that our rig is, you know, as level as can be. And also I thought it'd be good for when we're going off-roading and I say, you know what, the camera never does it justice. Well, now I have a tool. It's going crazy. I have a tool to be able to just kind of show you guys, hey, you know, when we're climbing up that hill there, I think we're hitting about a 20-degree angle. But yeah, so pick that up for like 12 bucks. There's 2 puddles way down there. And look at you. You having fun? Oh, geez. All right, enough playing around. All right. Okay. So, grabbed everything from the grocery store. There's a few things I took from home, like our barbecue sauce that we will be using. Dried onions. A couple spices. Should have used my level kit because I'm crooked. I didn't show you guys this, but a Jones root beer. And then I got the boneless beef, the tater tots, and the garlic butter. I haven't used this sucker yet. So super stoked for that. It's not as big as my other one that I had, but it will do. First thing I'm gonna cook up is the tater tots. Lots of butter. So I'm just up from Highway 1. That's Highway 1. That's the Fraser River. And basically, I'm up one of the turnoffs up Jones Lake. So where the road Y's and you go right to Jones Lake, I went left. And the road does continue, but it is gated and it's always locked. So not so sure what's past that. But yeah, so beautiful spot. Really easy to get to. We've come up here before to cook dinners, just never for this channel. But I love the view. I love seeing the road and hearing the sound of the traffic is just something, you know, like a little different. And the farmers' fields and whatnot down there is just, it's really neat to see it from way up here. high enough for the good views, but yet not too high and too far in the back country that I don't have cell service. So, but potatoes are looking good. Gonna cook those first, and then I will get going with the steak. So I'm just gonna cook the steak in the garlic butter also, and then I just have a steak spice. I'll use a little bit of the dry onions and the spices. I'm gonna keep the lid off of that now because I don't want them to get all soggy. There, all right, get the steak pieces on. I might do one when I get home. Well, maybe I'll cook these all right now. I was just gonna buy steak and cut it up, but they had a deal on this, so what was the point? This is just a keg steak spice. I like to lather that stuff on. And then I'll use some of the dry onions. A little bit of rosemary, a little bit of oregano, and a little bit of basil. I really smell basil. The spoon my mother-in-law made me, Cheyenne's mom. She carved it herself. I just thought it'd be kind of special to keep this in our truck camping gear. And use it when we're out camping. Okay, I set a timer, just about 5 minutes, and then I'll kind of check this. You want these kind of hard. The video I watched, they cook their home fries in an air fryer, but I'm not going to be doing that. If I can get them all to look kind of like that, that will be good, but it doesn't have to be perfect. This maybe wasn't the best home fry, but that's all the store had, so. So you guys have probably been noticing the past couple of videos the drone shots. I did get a new drone, the same one we had. This is just the Mavic Mini. Nothing special, the 249 ultralight. I wrote DJI and explained what happened, sent them all my flight data, the video that I was taking during its crash. Unfortunately, because I've owned that for as long as I have, the warranty had expired, but they said they could send me a new one and give me a pretty good deal. So because I had the remote, all they sent me was the aircraft and an extra battery, and that cost $178, I believe, around there. 178, 179, something like that. So I was super happy with that. It came really quick, like within 3, 4, 5 days. And they also sent a new hat, so which was kind of cool. So they were super easy to work with, and just wanted to get me flying again. So I appreciate them. This isn't a sponsored video by any means because I paid for it, but just if it happens into you guys and If you are unsure about your warranty, or even just it's expired, and give them a shout through email. So you will get a response pretty quickly. It was within 48 hours. And then after that, it was just kind of like communicating with like a normal person through email. So I'm super happy I got it back. I'm super happy we have that for this channel, because I think that really adds a certain element to our videos. I do like keeping them as raw as possible, but having the drone is just a great way to showcase the beauty that I'm taking you. So it's been about 5 minutes. Potatoes are doing good. Steak is doing good. I like mine medium rare, so maybe another minute or two. I'm just gonna flip them, and then a couple more minutes, and then we'll put this all together. Really windy. A little bit of pink. That's tasty. With all the vibration, from cruising the back roads here, and everything kind of takes a beating, and the barbecue especially. I've had to tighten the propane attachment here, and then this thing just turned off, and when I went to turn it back on again, was not working. So I'm running out of propane. All right, I'm gonna have to switch over propane bottles, I think. Yeah. Switching over. Back in action. I always bring at least two. I just wasn't so sure which one had the most in it, but I got extras at home. This guy he digs and digs and digs and digs. I have to give you a bath when I get home. Hey, look at the mess. Look at the mess. It's mud, you'll find it. Hey? Dad's little cruising buddy? Yes, Dad's little cruising buddy. Oh. All right, this is basically done. I'm gonna add the steak into this frying pan here, and then we'll add our honey wood smoked barbecue sauce. Smother it with barbecue sauce here. And add the potatoes. So you could probably add, some peas and corn to add a little bit of color, but I am a meat and potatoes type guy. So this is going to be just perfect. It smells delicious. Cheers. I think some color would probably just make it look a little bit more appealing, but a good camping food. Oh, that was definitely good. A good camping meal for sure, especially on a rainy day. That would fill you up and kind of give you the warm and fuzzies all inside. So I just actually went live. That was not expected, but with beautiful views like this, why not share it with all of you guys, in real time. So to everyone who, and the bugs are getting bad. To everyone who came out and said hello, appreciate you guys so much. It means a lot. Holy cow, I think I'm leaving right at the best time. So I really appreciate each and every one of you who joined. Whoa, Jesus. falling down the cliff. Joined during the live stream. It means a lot to me that you guys would, take time out of your day to say hello. Hey, it's all right, buddy. He's just sad because the dirt bikes went by, but you guys won't see that unless you go to the live. But yeah, guys, and this is Adam from Adventure Overland in a beautiful location, cooking amazing food. And until next time, guys, take care, get out on your own adventures, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.